Introducing the JCB side engine telehandler. With wide range of attachments for industry-specific applications. Just what you need for fast operations and enhanced productivity. The new JCB side engine telehandler offers extreme versatility. The global range starts from 7 meters to 20 meters, while 7 meter and 11 meter machines are built in India. Lift capacity of 3000 kgs to 6000 kgs. JCB Highway's global design for enhanced all-round visibility and maneuverability with best-in-class operator comfort with AC cabin. The most advanced telematics solution, JCB Live Link, 24/7 monitoring of machine. Just what you need to maximize your success. The new JCB side engine telehandler. Just what you need. JCB, always looking for a better way.